Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 8.8 inch screen in an Audi Q3 that it didn't come with backup camera. So we install our trunk handle mount backup camera and also our 8.8 inch screen. With the wireless Apple CarPlay. That's by adding our USB dongle to do wireless CarPlay. It's fully touch. You can use the touch screen to do the Apple CarPlay. You can go to Google Maps, Waze, or any other maps that you want to use. Or you can play Spotify, and it comes with the artwork from the album and the artist. And by clicking on Audi MMI, you go back to the main menu. Again, it's fully touch. And by clicking on Audi MMI menu, you go back to the Audi MMI menu without any problem, and you can use the controller on the dash. This unit only fits in Audi Q3, that it doesn't come with the nav. So it's Audi multimedia, the controller is on the dash, and there is no controller beside the gear shift knob. And by touching the screen, you go back to the aftermarket mode, and by going to reverse, it shifts to backup camera, full screen with dynamic parking guidelines. If you're interested to get these type of screens, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to help you out to get these units. Thank you and have a great day.